Formations in students since arriving here. As a precautionary measure, I'd like to highlight the top 10 new shocking attributes we've seen in students here, as well as other situations that students should be aware of that might occur in the real world as a result of these changes and my ridiculous accent. Unwieldy use of thumbs.
I'm trying to find the grocery store. Do you know where it is?
Yeah, definitely. Okay, you're going to want to go straight, then you're going to take a right, then you're going to take a left, and then just ask directions.
Okay, got it.
Laziness from sitting all day and learning.
Hey, can you just throw this away for me? It's like just right there. Like just right. Okay. That's fine too.
Running to a dictionary whenever you don't understand something.
Alright guys, the economy is really bad, therefore we really need to stabilize the margin of plasticity. What do you think, Jem?
One second.
Excessive use of the word davka.
How was your day?
Dafka? I must say Dafkali that I Dafka my Dafka like twice Dafka.
Swaying back and forth uncomfortably.
Okay, I'm the guy right now. Do you think the 49ers are going to make it this year?
I don't know. I mean, their defense is pretty good, but I don't know if they're going to make it.
I mean, like yes or no.
Being able to read really tiny print.
I have no idea when I'm supposed to take this. It's either like twice every 2 days or once. What do you do?
Oh, yeah, it says twice a day. And the little tiny print, that's the redact, and he says once a day.
Articulation of personal hygiene.
Do you smell?
Change in voice inflection.
I'm way too short. You're just like freakishly tall. Can you reach that up there?
If I get what you want me to get, then maybe you're gonna think that I have to do everything you say. But if I don't grab what you want me to, then maybe I don't know if you're gonna respect me.
Inability to applaud.
Oh my god, this play was so moving. It was just so moving. Why are you clapping? That's like not even a sound.
Thank you very, very, very much. I appreciate your time with me. TV show over.